see his eyes.
Well, but I got hand binoculars, but I'm not looking at you.
Yeah.
I'm looking beside you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hand binoculars.
Yeah.
You got your military shirt.
It's not military. It's camouflage.
That's right. That's right.
You can get in trouble for wearing
I know.
that's military that's not military.
Yeah, especially if a guy makes a video.
Yeah. I'm not in the
guy
military.
in the mall. You don't have on any
Yep. It's just a jacket.
any decorations
for the woods.
Any medals. You're not decorated with medals.
Just a jacket for the woods later. It's my woods jacket.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to do
And I don't think I'm gonna be good. I don't think I'm gonna be good at these.
some annoying sounds. But first I do wanna know why you put a hole in the wall.
My mom told me I couldn't do something. I don't remember what it was. But I was very, very upset.
Well, Rhett, what did you learn from that? See, you don't even remember what you were upset about.
What did I learn? And I punched the wall when we eat hot peppers. I do that too.
Maybe,
And I get a lot
maybe
of
that's your problem.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of that.
You have anger issues with my mouth sounds, and you have tantrum issues with hot peppers and your mom not letting you go to parties.
What made you think that had something to do with it? What are you talking about, parties?
Oh, you didn't say party?
No.
I just inferred.
And
What did you say?
Of course, it must have been that you weren't
party.
allowed to go to a party.
No, what did you just say though?
I just said she didn't let me do something. I don't
Do
remember
something.
what it was.
Oh,
You think it was a party?
and I was like, it had to have been a party.
I don't think so.
You remember how your mom would let you go to parties?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I
know, I remember.
I don't recall. Like, what kind of party are you talking about I couldn't go to?
Trent Hamilton's party.
That's the only party ever that I wasn't allowed to go to. I heard I shouldn't have been there.
Yeah, I shouldn't have been there. So, here we go. Well, the duck one, do you recall me doing the
Dying duck.
the dying baby duck in like grade school, middle school, high school? You gotta put air in your cheeks. So that's step one, is you have to be able to put
I
air
don't
in
have
your
a lot
cheeks.
of cheek. I can put air in my cheeks.
But put it in the top of your cheek.
I got no top.
Like put your air in the top of your cheeks.
Where's the noise coming from?
And then it comes out from behind your molars. Do you have your wisdom teeth? Do you have your wisdom
If
teeth?
I could transplant my mouth onto you right now, you wouldn't be able to do it either. I'm telling you, physically, I don't have the ability to make some of these noises. And my mouth is not capable of volumes that yours is.
Volumes?
Volumes. I cannot chew as loudly as you can. In a contest, I couldn't do it.
Just so then give me, let me put these on.
I'm gonna hear that contest. The chewing loud contest with the trail mix.
Yeah, let's do it. And let's just do normal. I'm gonna do normal chewing.
I think we've done this contest before.
I'm not gonna try to go light. I think I actually have a little TMJ too. I have a little bit of a mouth.
Mouth J?
Mouth J. But this is really for the people in the room to judge.
I mean, there's a lot of sound happening. Now let's go for me again. I chew faster.
Is it significantly different?
It's like when you feed a goat at a petting zoo and you kind of like lick it out of your hand and just kind of chop it up.
His is more animal.
Yeah.
There's like a sound to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a throat.
There's additional things happening because of the mouth structure. I'm just telling you.
I'm moving it around. I'm moving the food around to get it all chewed.
It's like a weightlifter. You go into a gym and there's a big weightlifter and there's a little weightlifter. The big weightlifter can lift more, right?
So this is an asset. That's good.
Yeah, I mean, if you're into that kind of thing.
So give me the most annoying sound you can conjure up with your mouth.
That won't work. You've got to train me. You got to teach me your ways. I can't do the duck sound. Give me something I can do.
Suck in back here behind. It's like a kid with a retainer.
You've got compartments I don't have. You just talked about something up here. I ain't got that.
What about this back here? Behind the lower.
Behind what?
Wisdom teeth.
That's not bad, is it?
Yeah, it's bad.
Is that it?
Do some swishing right into the mic.
That sounds like something got caught in the air conditioning vent of your car.
I can't do this.
Oh, wow. You can really do that one.
Yeah.
That was my dying baby pig.
Do it.
I mean, my...
You got some sound that comes out the front too. Keep it closed. Oh man,
That's nasty.
that's pretty equal on that
Yours is deep. Well, yours is totally like a pig. Yours is exactly like a pig. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's what they do. You have a pig
That's
part.
what we do.
You have a pig part in there.
Well, pigs are very similar to humans in their anatomy. That's why criminologists study the decomposition of pigs in order to learn about humans.
And that's why humans can have pig valves in their system.
Yeah, and that's why every once in a while women give birth to pigs.
Right.
Just like every 1 in 100 births
Right.
is a pig child.
Right.
The hospitals don't tell you about that. They just send them to the barbecue
Bacon.
restaurants.
Right.
Oh,
God. But they get good money. Good money for them.
Let's make a movie about that called Pig Children.
Baby bacon.
Baby bacon. Oh, God.
It's a horror movie.
This is the worst.
Babes?
yeah, babe.
Babe?
Babe.
Or I thought you said bigs, like baby pigs.
Biggs with Tom Hanks.
All right, what about Dying Witch? I'm really intrigued by that one. Can you make that one again?
That's the one that you suck in back here.
But then you made a noise.
then you
Are you making
add-
a suck-in noise or a
You add a
push-out noise?
vocal harmonic. So it's.
Okay. Mine's more of a wheeze.
Higher.
I can't get the resonance. Mine sounds like a wheeze.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good. That's pretty bad.
Okay. I think I can do your slurp sound.
Put it behind your front teeth. Lean forward. Yeah, it's hard.
It goes away real fast.
Yeah, that's why I kept swallowing. Like, try to just keep it in your front teeth. I actually didn't do it correctly. Yeah, more like Hannibal Lecter.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, wow.
We could be like horror movie Foley artists.
That's a good idea.
Like, what kind of death is this?
The swallow mixed in there is really, really bad. But I got something that's really good. A little tip I want to throw your way. If you're feeling like it, you could head over to youtube.com/The Hey Hey Show, and maybe there won't be any sounds over there, but there
Might be something, y'all.
Yeah, don't tell anybody about it.